So this is tip number 7, and we're looking at spotting drills. Now, a lot of the time you'll use a centre drill on the lathe to make your starting hole for a drill hole, but I find with the smaller ones, I've certainly got a habit of breaking them off. The larger ones, obviously, they're pretty sturdy, but definitely for the smaller ones, I like to use a 90-degree spotting drill. So I've read that the angle on the centre drill being 60 degrees is not as good for starting drills as a spot drill, because it's a 90-degree spot drill and a 60-degree centre drill. I'm not sure how true that is, and I can't say I've noticed any significant difference, but it may be the case. Anyone who knows can mention that in the comments. Now, centre drills still have a use. You very much need one for a centre, you know, like these. The reason why you've got this smaller diameter drill section is 1, clearance for the point, but 2, the idea is you have a small oil reservoir in the recess created by this to keep the centre lubricated. So that was the tip. Get yourself a spotting drill.